Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. So welcome back to my channel. This is another DIY haul. So it's already 9:55 p.m. here. So let's start first with this one. This one I did not bought this in DIY. I bought this in a stall in Bitsy. So this is a perfume. This was 150 baht. This is the scent of Dior. I forgot the specific name. Anyway, so next is this one. What do you call this? Hair clamp. Yeah, hair clamp. So this is a hair clamp. It is acrylic with pearl designs on the sides. It's pretty. It looks like a flower. So I'm gonna remove the there. I usually put my hair clamps here. I've been buying hair clamps already so many times because I always lost it for some reason. And I think that one is 29 baht. Next is this one. It's a holographic placemat. This is so nice. It's flower design, and again, it's holographic. And I want to use this whenever I eat, so I put it here on the table. Then I eat. So again, I'm gonna remove I don't know the tags. I'm gonna remove the tags. Okay, so next, this one. This is a, how do you call this? A clear book 40 pockets A4 size folder. It's plastic. This is for any school stuff. So nice. It's pink. This is 125 baht. Okay, then next, that one I will not yet remove it. Okay, next is doll shoes socks. So this one is 10 baht. Had I known this is 10 baht, I should have bought two. So again, this is 10 baht. This is in color gray. So this is by far the the most durable foot sock I've ever tried. Because usually when I am still in the Philippines, I used to buy at the mall. I used to buy on the sidewalk, and then I realized I wanted like the mall socks. The Burlington one are thicker, but this one is more thicker. This is nice. So next is this one. These are slip-ons. So nice. It's in size 40-41 in color baby pink. It just says happy family. It's so nice. It fits so well, and it doesn't hurt or anything. I love it. Love the color. That's what made me buy it. So I'm gonna wear this here inside in my room because I have another slippers for the kitchen. Okay, next is, I'm just gonna just put it. It's literally a plastic bag. So next is the slip-ons is 83. Yeah, 83 baht. 83 or 85. Okay, next is this one. This is Mystic Orchard fresh fragrance all day long in rose. Automatic spray, air freshener refill. I have this one from Glade, but I'm not sure if this fits. I'm not sure if this one fits here. Like, I really don't know, but I just give it a try, because anyway I can still use it as it is, because I haven't been able to refill this anymore. See, I don't anymore know how to open it. And I think, yeah, it can. You just have to remove it. See, it's from Glade. Oh shucks, you cannot see it. It's from Glade. Okay, this is in lavender and vanilla. This is so nice. It has a nice smell. This one is in rose. You'll see it's a little bit fatter. The tin can is more fat, but I don't know. I think it works. Oh god. Oh gosh. It works. Oh my god, and this is just 43 baht. This one, I mean this one is 43 baht, the from DIY. The refill from DIY is just 43 baht. This one is 189. No, not 189, 200 plus. Crazy, right? Anyway, let's turn it on. Let's choose 9. I don't know if I smell it or not. Maybe not. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. This is really a good steal already. Yay! The good thing is the battery is still working. Okay, next. My umbrella is here. Next is, oh, this one. I'm gonna put this out now. It might drop. So this one, this is a hand wash bottle, pump bottle. So yeah, it's in purple, glass purple. Okay, next is scissors, a pair of scissors. I've been buying scissors many times and I don't know where they go. Next is, I bought this one. This is a clear water bottle. This is just small. I think this is just 250 ml. I'm not sure really. Maybe. Or less. But yeah, this is intended for the water. For the wet. Okay, next. I bought 2 of this. Oh shoot. Palusog ba niya? Kuko pa more. Okay, so I bought 2 of this. What I do usually before I use it, I soak it in dishwashing liquid, just a little bit, and then a half full of water, and then I just let it there overnight. Then tomorrow I'm just gonna wash it and then leave it again, full water inside, just so that the scent of the dishwashing will go into the water, and the drinking water will not taste soap or anything. Okay, next is a water filter. I don't know if this functions with my faucet in the toilet. I just hope so, because the faucet in the toilet is really loud. It's really loud. Okay, it's color pink. Okay, next is a plastic bag. This is in small size, quality garbage bag. It's garbage bag, 18 by 20, 30 bags. This is in the size small. So next is this one. It's like a net body scrub. This is for 21 baht. This one is 19 baht. What else? This one is 43 baht. I think this one is 49. I mean the refill is 49. This is 43. This one is 21. The plastic, the garbage bag is 15 baht. So next is this one. Brush. I bought this for my what do you call it? For the pail, to clean the pail, to clean the tabo. And then what else? Yeah. It's not difficult for me to clean it. Okay, next is this one. This one is 19, I think. And okay, next is this one. I intended to buy this for gummy bears and candies, so I can just put it in my bag, and it's just really tiny. This is 8 baht. It's so cute. And it's really sealed. This one is glass, this one is plastic. Okay. Next is, okay, this one. See, told you, do not bring into anything pink. This one, a pair of what do you call this, spoon and fork. A pair of this. This is gold, and then this one is rose gold. It's like pinkish, metallic pink, something like that. No? Not rose gold. Yeah, rose gold or metallic pink. It's so nice. But this is bought individually. This is 29 baht. This is 29 baht. So yeah, I want to use this one. I just feel like, you know, eating fancy, eating extra. Okay, and the last one is this one. This is a towel, a bath towel. I still have to clean this though, to wash it. This is for 65 baht. This was on sale. This is already a good deal for a towel with this quality. It's good. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's it. This one, I know this is small. Maybe you're thinking, worth it? Obviously not, but I love it because of the quality, and it's cheap, and it doesn't matter. I'm alone here in the room anyway, so okay, so that's it, guys. I'm sure because I still have to arrange the fridge. Yeah, that's it. Bye.